everyone, it's LyndaCreates with LyndaCreates, and I just want to share my new die. This is the paper cut characters with the Bathing Beauty add-on die sets. These are by Trinity Stamps and they are just out, and I just wanted to show how different they are than a regular paper doll that had only one style of the way the body was situated. You can do a lot of different poses with these. And I also wanted to show the different bathing suit styles. So just to do a quick point, this ruffled at the neckline, you could put it behind and become ruffled sleeves. You could add a little skirt with the bow. You can take this little bow and add it to her hair if you want. There's different hairstyles. There's these heart-shaped glasses. It is so cute. It also comes with this floating duck. So I can't wait to share how I made this. So let's get started. This is the Paper Cut Characters Bathing Beauty add-on set. And I love these paper cut character dolls because there are so many variations. They're not like your usual paper dolls or any dolls that they are in one pose and you can't do anything with them. These dolls can be made into a lot of different poses, and their outfits that come with it. So let me go ahead and show you. The bodies come in the Paper Cut Characters main set. This is the add-on set, the Bathing Beauties add-on set, and you get the swimming suit, you get the floaty duck, and you get a few other pieces of hairstyles and glasses. So let me go ahead and show you. Let's make up one of the dolls. I'm going to make one of the Bathing Beauty dolls, and you start off with the torso. So let me go ahead and I'm going to start by adding the legs. And my whole goal is to show people that these dolls are not, they're so different because they're not static shapes. You're not stuck with doing it just this style of doll body that you get. You can change them up. You can move their legs. Oh, another thing too, let me show you this. You can make them, you can actually make them shorter and taller so they look like different aged doll or siblings. So let me make this one, I'm going to make her a little younger. So she's going to have a little bit shorter legs, so they come up a little higher here. And she's going to have, I'm going to add her bathing suit on. And I really want to showcase how much fun this is by all the variety you can do. So there's the main part of her bathing suit. And I'm going to add, well, I'm going to add her arms last because I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to add her head here. Okay. And then I'm going to add this little skirt to her outfit, just to add some variety. And it comes with this little belt. So I'm going to add a little belt to her outfit. And teeny tiny little bow. So just to, and you could add the bow actually in her hair if you want to. Then the next thing I'm going to do, the arms go downwards with the doll. But if you want to change it up and have it look like they're jumping up, then you have to switch them over. And now we could do her arms upwards. So let me go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to just add her this little pigtail hair. Oh, actually, well, let me do it this way. Don't need the glue up here unless you're putting it onto a card. And so there's her hair going up. And just wanted to show a couple things with this set. There are these adorable heart-shaped glasses you could do. And there is this hairstyle where it is this swooping hair. See how it swoops over? And I also want to show, see this little ruffled collar on the bathing suit? You can put it behind the main bathing suit and then it becomes these ruffled sleeves, which is really cute. And you could see right now that all these different positions these dolls can be in. Now, if you want to have it in this, it's not going to fit once you put the skirt and the arms on. So if you want to do that, maybe before you put the arms on this, with their arms going up, you can slide it up through the floatation duck. But the other shapes, like this one, will fit in there. And we could do it, in fact, that way, with one arm behind the flotation duck and one in front. Or we could do it like that. Now, I want to show too, I think it was this one. We shortened her legs a little bit, so she is shorter. So she could be, you could see she's just slightly shorter than her friends. So there's lots of variations you can do. Lots of fun to do this. Let me go ahead and make up a card. So to cut the card base, I'm doing something a little different. First, I took a half sheet of cardstock, so it's 8.5, well, 8.5 this way, 5.5 this way, so it was cut in half. And I'm going to add 2 creases to it. One at 1 3/4 inches, and the other one at 6 inches. I'm going to fold it away from me. And what I'm going to have is a card, gatefold card. So I'm going to embellish it. So I made this trifold card, and I've been using it vertically, but I decided for this one, I'm going to use it horizontally. So, because it's water. So I have this piece that I cut. It is 2 1/4 inches. And I'm going to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do waves at the top, and I didn't have any dies that actually cut waves, but I do have from iCrafter this knit knots and stitches. Or no, maybe this is a slimline. It's one of my slimline dies, but it has a scalloped edge. And if I die cut it so that it cuts it off, I'll have a beautiful scalloped edge. So let me go ahead and do that. So this is the edge I got. I just die cut this piece. If you have any dies that cut a scalloped edge like that, by all means use it. I just didn't have one. So what I'm going to do is have it so that it sits about 1/4 inch above the largest card size here. Okay, so let me go ahead and attach that. So now I have this little water border, and that's basically what I wanted it to do, is have one of these girls floating on it. And this is when making them a little shorter was actually came out a really handy way to do it. So I'm going to glue her a little bit lower, and what's going to happen when you open the card, she's going to come up. So let me go ahead and attach her down. Now you do want to be careful. You don't want to have too much of her glued down. Just kind of like that. Okay. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this paper cut characters, the Bathing Beauty add-on die set. The figures come in the paper cut characters main set, the swimsuits and the floating duck, and these hairstyles come from the Bathing Beauty set. So I wanted to show all the, or many of the variations that you can do. Oh look, she could be floating in the water. So I hope you enjoyed that. You can see more inspiration at my website, LyndaCreates.com. That's Lynda with the Y, L-Y-N-D-A creates.com. And these dies are available through Trinity Stamps. So I hope you enjoy that. And please like and leave a comment and follow my channel. I really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate that. And I will see you in my next video.